Hey guys, Vijay back here with another video review, and today we are having this Cosmic Byte Thunderhead gaming controller. So this is how the box looks like. It's the newly launched Cosmic Byte. So this is how the packaging is. It's basically for Windows, as you guys can see here on the box, and it's wireless but needs USB for charging. Here are all the details. You guys can pause it and check. As you guys can see on the box, it's written as 2600, but it's sold for around 2300 rupees. So I will provide the link below, and if you guys are buying it, please use that link. It does help. So here we have the user manual, and you guys should read this once before using it. It will solve all your queries. Let's keep it aside. We are having the controller itself. It's completely black. It's very black and looks really cool. Next thing we have is the nano receiver. The last thing is the micro USB cable for charging this thing. So now having the look at the controller itself, it is having Xbox like controller layout, but it can be used with X input and direct input. We have the capacitive buttons for selecting and starting, that kind of stuff. So that's that. And if we talk about the vibration, that also, the vibrating motor is really good. You can't compare it with like DualShock controller, but it's really good for the price you are paying. And the fact that you can connect it with your smartphone, that also makes it a really good controller. I will make a separate video regarding that. So here is a quick gameplay and how the remote looks and feels like.
Alright, you can do this? Huh? Show me the way! Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady. Oh, there it is. There's enough here for us all to enjoy. Depends on how you look at it. Come on out, Steve! Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I remember you. You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is... I've seen the guy! He's great! No one's great! Right thing. Be cool. I wasn't expecting this kind of turnout.
That's pretty much it, guys, for this quick unboxing and overview of this controller. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please press that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.